Yes, once again, 𝐷 showing you the hottest homes in Houston, Texas for the American Dream TV. We are at 9126 Hilldale in Spring Valley Village, just west of Spring Branch and north of the Villages. I can't wait to show you this house. Hi, Tammy!
Oh my God, it's so great to see you.
So good to see you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me in this amazing listing of yours. I'm so excited about it.
I'm so happy you're here.
Thank you.
I want to tell you all about it.
Yeah.
This home is very special as it was custom built for this family. So this family has grown and expanded in the home. It is originally a 4-bedroom home and expanded with this mother-in-law suite added, making it a potential 5.
Okay.
And of course it sits in Spring Valley Village, which has its own private police and fire and excellent rated schools. But probably the best feature is the lot size and what all you get back in this peaceful cul-de-sac on this large piece of land.
So tell me a little bit more about the home and its incredible features.
Oh gosh, Murad, there's so many great things about this house. Over here in this direction, we've got 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, half bath over here off the kitchen, but one of these is currently set up as a study. You have 2 different living areas for the family together, but then down this hall, you have the addition, which could either be private quarters, it closes off completely, or it can be a total destination area for the kiddos.
Wow, thank you so much, Tammy, for hosting me. It's always a pleasure to see you.
I'm so glad you came. It was also an honor to show you this fantastic property.
I love it. Well, now we're gonna go find a buyer.
That's exactly right.
Wow, that was so amazing checking out this incredible house. I'm about to go change and get into my workout outfit. We're going to Memorial Park. I'm gonna show you one of the most incredible sought after places in Houston, Texas. Let's check it out. Oh, hey, there you go. Man, this is a great jog, great exercise. We are live at Memorial Park. And Memorial Park is a historic landmark in Houston, Texas. It has been known for fitness, health, and well-being. There's a 3.1-mile track where runners run, practice, train. You got spinning, tennis, golf, and you just have so many activities here. This park was actually the training ground for Camp Logan, and over 70,000 troops were trained for World War I. They called it Memorial Park to remember all the soldiers who gallantly gave their lives in the First Great World War. It was donated by the Hogg family to the city of Houston with one stipulation, that it may never be sold off and it must always be used as a park. Otherwise, it would revert back to the family or their heirs. And you see this place full with people running, exercising, completely free for all Houstonians and people around the world who have enjoyed this park for many, many years and will for many years to come. Woo! Gosh, that was a great workout. Anyways, thank you for checking me out. 𝐷 with American Dream TV. I hope you enjoyed this episode, seeing Memorial Park and another hot Houston home. So for the hottest homes in Houston, Texas, make sure you check me out every single month. And I appreciate you so much, and we'll see you next time.